Hi guys, it's Coach Emilia Davids here. So in this short tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to place a withdrawal on Cheelee app. I've noticed that a lot of people are having that issue of making withdrawals, and it's actually very simple. So before I go ahead to show you how to withdraw on this Cheelee app, if you haven't watched the full tutorial on how to make money by watching videos here on Cheelee app, I'll be dropping a link in the description of this video where you can get the full tutorial. So before I go ahead showing you how to withdraw on Cheelee app, let me just show you one or two things. So here is my glass. If you look here, you see that I have a glass and my glass is element. So this is 8 here. And as you can see, this is the strategy I'm using to earn. Let me show you. This is the strategy I'm using to earn here. If you click here, you see that we have other strategies. So you can see this one is stability strategy. So with this, you can be able to earn a potential profit of, let's say, 1.5 times 1.5 to times 1.8. So this is mixed strategy, which is the one I'm currently using. So this particular strategy helps you be in balance and earn in mid-range. So with this glass, you are going to be in mid-range. You won't be losing too much watching videos. You know, I told you to maximize your earnings. You have to always swipe off your video each time you are done watching it. So don't allow any video to play twice. That is what I'm saying in essence. Once you are done watching a particular video, the best you can do is to just swipe it off immediately in order to maximize your earnings. So this one is lucky strategy. So this particular strategy gives you a chance to risk and earn the most profit. So if you are someone who likes to take risk in order to earn more, you can go for this strategy. But for me, I've been maintaining on this particular strategy. So that's about how the strategy was. And if you want to know more about how it actually works, you can come over to here where you are going to watch a video on how these strategies actually work. So right now, let me also show you, because of those of you who are having issue with buying glasses. I told you that to buy a glass, all you have to do is to come over here. This is market here. If you look down here, this is market, where you can always go to purchase your glass. So let me go ahead and click on it. So you can see, if you want to buy a glass, all you have to do is to come over here, look for the glass you want to buy. Let's say I want to go for this particular glass. Let me see. If I want to go for this princess glass right now, all I have to do is to come over here, tap on buy. So once you tap on buy, you are going to, if you want, you can read what it says here. You can take your time, just read it. Then you come over here and click on buy. Once you click on buy, let me show you. So it's going to bring you to this interface. So if you are currently within this country here, it's going to show you this. So you don't have to change it. If you want to make a bank transfer, you have to leave it like that. But if you want to buy through this Binance Pay, you can go for it. If you want to go for USDT, if you want to buy through your Lee, you can go ahead. If you want, that's if you have enough Lee. Then if you want to buy through your Google Play, you can go ahead. So let me just tap on this Lee for those of you who have been asking me if you can use your Lee to buy a glass. So let's see if it is possible. So this is the amount. This is okay. That's if you have, I said it, if you have enough Lee, you can actually buy with your Lee. Those of you who have been asking me if you can use the Lee you have with the Lee you made from your free glass, if you can actually use it to purchase a glass. So the answer is yes, you can actually use it to purchase a glass if you have already made enough. So you can see it is 6.58 Lee. If you have 6.58 Lee, you can go ahead and purchase it. So with that, you won't even have to be spending your money to buy a glass. So that's easy to say. With your free glass, with the Lee you made from your free glass, you can always purchase another glass without spending out of your own bank account. But that's if you have up to 6.58 Lee. So that's about that. But if you don't have up to 6.58 Lee and you want to withdraw from you want to make a transfer from your own bank account, just leave it on this particular bank account here. Just come over, click on bank account. So you can see the bank accounts you can use to make a transaction here. This is OPay here. This is PalmPay. So this is Valve. If you have Valve card, you can make use of it. So you can see these are the payment methods. So if you want to do a bank transfer, you just have to go ahead, select the particular bank account you want to use to make your transaction. So if it is this one, you just click on OPay. So let me click on OPay. I'm not making any transaction right now. I'm just using this for the tutorial. So you can see the amount I'm going to be paying for Princess Glass here. Don't forget, it's Princess Glass I clicked on. And purchasing a Princess Glass, you know you are going to earn more, just like the element glass we bought the other time. So if you want to go for Princess Glass, you are going to have a more earning potential with Princess Glass. So even if you want to go for Princess Glass, just check to see the amount you can earn from it before you go ahead with it. So let's just say that I've concluded to pay this particular amount to buy this glass. All I have to do is to just come over here and click on buy. So once I click on buy, it's going to take me to where I can go ahead and make my payment. So that's just that about it. You can see the earning potential of this Princess Glass. You can get up to $39 from it. So if you can make if you can make a whole lot of money from just element glass, which is $6, imagine how much you are going to make if it is Princess Glass. So that's about that, guys. Let's go back. Let me show you how to withdraw from this. And those of you who have been asking me also if you can make extra money from uploading videos or becoming a content creator in Cheelee, the answer is yes. You can actually make extra money, and you can also be increasing your view minutes from that. So let's also look at this particular. You can see page. This is what you should always be watching. So when you are viewing your videos, always be checking the minutes you have remaining, and you should also check this as well. You can see this particular glass I've withdrawn 2 times from it, and this is the third one I'm about to withdraw, and I still have 64 over 100% remaining. You can see, and that is just from element glass. So right now, let's just talk about how to withdraw. I don't want this video to be too long. I just want it to be a short video. So to withdraw, this is where you come over to. Just come over here where you are seeing wallets. Can you see? And see, if you look over here, you can see I have just 3.13 Lee, which is equivalent to $7.47. So which means that I can go ahead and withdraw. So for me to withdraw, just click on the wallet. When you click on wallets, you can see this is the money we are going to be withdrawing here. So all we have to do right now is to click on Cheelee. If you want to use external, you can actually use external. The advantage of using external is that you are not going to be paying 30% commission. I think the commission is lesser if you want to withdraw through Bybit. So that's it. The commission, you know, with internal, we are going to be paying 30% from our 30% commission. So, but with external, you are not going to be charged up to 30%. So it's more advisable that you use external to withdraw. But if you don't want any stress withdrawing through external, you just go ahead with your internal. So just click on internal, then come over here and click. Sorry, I mistakenly tapped on something else. So this is where you are going to be tapping right now. Just click on Cheelee. So just go ahead. Let's click on Cheelee. Can you see the amount we are selling? This is 3.13 Lee. So the next thing you are going to be doing right now is to insert the amount you want to withdraw here. This is where you are going to be inserting it. And you can see the limits from which you can withdraw. The limit is 1.29 to 35 Lee. So before you place any withdrawal, you have to look at the limit if you have up to 1.29 Lee. So right now I have 3.13, which makes it which means that I can withdraw. So let's go ahead and insert 3.13. I don't know if I'm being too fast, but I don't want this video to be too long. So this is, let me choose currency first. I haven't chosen my currency. So this is the currency I'm using to withdraw here. And that reminds me, for those of you complaining that your currencies are not here, the currency you want to use and withdraw is not here, all you have to do is to go through Bybit, withdraw through external. If yours is not here, if your currency is not here, use external to withdraw. So once you have added your currency, just go ahead and select the amount you want to withdraw. So I tried typing in 3.13 Lee. It's telling me it's not enough, so let me just go ahead and withdraw just 3 Lee. So now we've done that, you can see the equivalent here. This is what we are going to be receiving here. So we are going to be receiving 7,623 after they have removed a commission of 30%. So if you don't want this commission of 30% to be removed from your money, just withdraw through external. But right now I'm just showing you how to withdraw through internal. So this is the equivalent of what you are going to be receiving after they have removed their 30%. So if that is okay by you, just go ahead and click on confirm. Here is confirm. Go ahead and click on confirm. Let's go ahead. So here now it's asking you to confirm. Go ahead and click on confirm. So right now it's going to take you to a different browser to complete the transaction. Over here you can see Chrome browser, you can see Kiwi browser. So these are the two major browsers I have in this phone currently. So yours might show more than that, or it might show a different browser entirely. So go ahead, select any one of them. So for me, I'll be selecting Kiwi browser, and I click on just once. So if you come over here, you can see you are going to be filling this. Let me increase my light so that you can see it very well. So you can see this number. I know most people are having challenge with this. This means your Nigerian account number if you are in Nigeria. So if you are not in Nigeria, you are going to be adding your own country's bank account. So over here is your first name. Add your first name. Over here, add your last name. Your last name should be your surname. That is your father's name, whereas this one should be your own native name. And don't forget, let this name match with the name in your Cheelee account. Make sure it matches with your Cheelee name. So it's very important so that you won't have issues. The name you are going to be adding here, let it match with your Cheelee name. Let it also match with your bank account name. So after that, you input your email. After inputting your email, you add your phone number. Then after that, you scroll down. You are going to see, please select a bank. So you go ahead and select your bank. So I decided to go back to Cheelee app to show you something before filling in that transaction. So if you see here, you see that my balance is currently on 0.31, of which I didn't make any transaction. I haven't made any transaction yet. I just decided to go back. So in case you made mistake from the last place where we stopped and you want to come back to Cheelee app to correct something, your transaction is going to go back to 0. So don't worry, just leave it for some time. You can just go out of the app, come back after some time. You see that it's going to return back to the amount you had there. And even if it doesn't go back, all you have to do is to contact their customer care or their support. Over here, this is where you are going to click and message them. So if you stayed up to, let's say, 12 before, let's just say between an hour to 2 hours, it's going to credit back to your account. But if it passes 2 hours and you haven't received it back, all you have to do is to come back to help and message their support here. Once you tap on help, they are going to show you where you can be contacting their support. So all you have to do is to tell their support that this is what happened. You tried placing a withdrawal, but at the end you didn't make the withdrawal and you were debited, that you want them to work on that and refund you. So in less than few minutes, they are going to credit you back. So what I'm going to go ahead to do now is just to leave the app and come back later. I just did this to explain this part because of some of you who have been complaining of the same issue.
Somebody's watching me, is my anxiety. Somebody's watching me. Mejor te guardas todo eso que te reconoce si no se
So guys, if you look, you would have noticed what I just did. So it's just less than 5 minutes and the money has been returned back to my account. So what I did was that I had to watch video. If you notice here, you see that I had some minutes remaining here. So I used it to watch video, and after watching it, when they were crediting me from the box, it was credited back with the balance that was missing in my account before. So now let's go back and make the transaction. But before that, if you know that your profile, if you know that the name in your bank account is not the same with your profile, with your Cheelee profile, just come over here and correct it. So guys, after tapping on profile here, if you want to change the name you have here to be the same name in your bank account before placing withdrawal, come over to this place where there is pen. Once you tap on it, you will be able to correct your name. So once you are done placing your withdrawal, you can always come back here to correct the name to whichever name you want to bear on Cheelee app. But for that moment you want to make withdrawal, always ensure that the name you have here is the same with your bank account name. So that's about that, guys. So let's go ahead and make the withdrawal. We'll click on wallet here. Once you click on wallets, it's going to bring you to this interface. Go ahead and click on Cheelee. Once you get here, you first of all come over here and select your bank account, your currency. Once you select your currency, then enter the amount you want to withdraw. So right now, all you have to do is to click on bank transfer. So it's bank transfer we want to make. You can leave it that way. Then scroll down, you see the amount we are going to receive here. This is what we are going to receive after they've deducted 30%. So right now, click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it will bring you back to this place. Select one of the browsers, then tap on either just once or always. So this was the interface where we were before. So just enter your bank account here. This is where you are going to be entering your bank account. After that, your first name, and just fill out the rest. Your first name, as I said before, should be your own name. Then your last name should be your surname or your father's name. So right now, just tap down here to select your bank. So let's go ahead. These are the banks that are available. We have 9 Payment Service Bank, Abe Mortgage Bank, and so many other banks. So just go ahead and select the one you want to transfer to. We have so many banks available here. So right now, I'm going to be choosing the one I want to transfer to. Then once you are done with that, click on Continue Payouts. So right now, we've already made the transaction. It's going to show you this interface. So if you want to update your Cheelee, you can go ahead and update it. So for me, I'm not ready for any updates. So all you have to do right now is to go back to either your Cheelee app if you want to continue, and it's best you go back and click on done. So let's just go back and click on done. So this is where you are going to be clicking. Once you open your Cheelee app, it will show you this. So just click on done, that you have completed the transaction, so that they can process it for you. Then you go back, just click to go back. And after a while, it's going to return to 0, and in no distant time, you will also get your money paid into your bank account. So it's just as simple as that.